Okay, the first welcome. Oh, let me see here. Let's come here and make this out disappear, right? Come here and say out. It should not be shown on the screen. So header shown first. You can Control S to save the changes and come here. Look at it, it has gone. So we have only home here. Now we are able to style the React using inline, and we also have to hide the headers or yeah, headers actually. And lastly, we were able to discuss about the reference, or not reference, but redirecting our image when any person visit our site. He can be redirected to another site. Thereby, we have seen that when we allow our visitor to come on board, which is welcome. This no, this can be called any name, not must be onboarding, but we are calling it because someone is coming from somewhere and is while coming into the inside hub. I thought it is good to just be called onboarding. Whereby onboarding, we shall also add something else here like welcoming page, swiper, welcoming images, the loading image, all that it will be coming on this welcome page. We have layout. We have different types of layout. We can have very many different types of layout. We have welcome, we have sign in, we have sign up, all that. We are coming to that. But before then, I think that is all right. In fact, that is enough for today, right? So this is the redirect. Whenever someone comes to home, he is going to be redirected to where? To house. House is this folder. And when you get to house, it is going to be a welcome text. Welcome text is having so many things that we are going to develop from next lesson. So goodbye. Meet you next time.